You guys already built a buyer's list. This is exactly how you're going to make more money on the buyer's list. This is what you need to do. You're going to ask your buyers if they have anything for sale. I know this sounds crazy, but buyers still sell. A lot of these guys are landlords. They have apartments, they have houses, they become vacant, they have tenants. Once a month, this is what I ask. Very first month, do you have a vacant property for sale? I have other investors looking. Next month, I ask, do you have a rental property? Do you have anything with a tenant in it? I have investors looking. And the next month, do you have any multifamily properties available? I have investors looking. Literally every time I send this text out, we get a deal. Highest deal to date, $54,000. We did a deal with one of our buyers we sell deals to. We've sold tons of deals to. After this deal, we sold tons of deals to. And he flat out asked, hey man, how much money are you making on this deal? We said 54,000. His exact answer to us was, that's love. He had absolutely no issue with it because we gave him his price. He knew we were wholesaling. It wasn't a secret. He said, look, I have too many projects going on. This is what I want for this property. And I'm pretty sure, I think we looked it up, he made right for like $95,000. He cared nothing about this. This guy literally drives a Lambo. He does not care, okay? He wanted to move this property. Every time I send this deal out, I play middleman between my buyers and my other buyers on that same list, just moving deals around. Next is splitting wholesale fees with other wholesalers, doing JV splits. Simply put, we look on investor list. We look at other deals people are sending out. And if it's something I think I can squeeze myself in, I ask the guy, I say, hey, can I add something on top? I have a buyer for this. I think I can move this pretty quick and I can work out a deal with that guy. And in some cases, we do a 50-50 split. It all depends on the deal. There's nothing set in stone, okay? But if you think, hey, I'm working with Tom over here. Tom loves that zip code. I know Tom pays $100K for that type of house. You sent one out for 85. Hey, give me a chance here. Give me what can we work out here? The next is getting JV splits with agents. Agents always love to move deals, okay? They get pocket listings. They want to move deals. I did the same thing with any of my agents. I reach out and say, hey, I see you just sent something out, or I see you have something listed and it's already at a discount. Would you mind seeing if I can squeeze myself in on this deal? The very last one, guys, it's super important. You have to get people to bring you free deals. We always get people to bring us deals. They know we move deals. They'll say, hey, look, I have too many projects going on. I have one gentleman named John, super nice guy. He only fix and flips. That's it. He doesn't want to do anything else but fix and flips, but he generates his own leads. And when deals come his way and he has too many projects or he's ran out of money, he immediately sends it over. He's like, what do I care? I'd rather have half of something than 100% of nothing. If you guys want to make the most amount of money you possibly can on the buyer's list you already have that costs you nothing, you have to do this today.